Meron tayong kaso ng LGU na nagkamali sa pag-order ng demolition ng isang building at dahil sa pagkakamaling ito ay inorderan yung LGU na magbayad ng 25 million pesos doon sa may-ari ng building. And these are the local governments of Negros Occidental and Bacolod. At pinagbabayad nga sila ng damages doon sa owner ng isang hotel sa Negros dahil pinademolish nila at sinira nila yung 4th floor ng kanyang building way back in 1994. Ito ay dahil nag-issue ng order of demolition ang Bacolod local government dahil ang sabi nila merong complaint ang Air Transportation Office na nasa zone ng mga eroplano, nasa airport zone yung 4th floor ng building ng complainant. And because of this, pinademolish nga ng Negros Municipality yung building. Ito yung Sugarland Hotel. At along the way, after the demolition, they found out na hindi pala nasa banned zone or prohibited zone yung 4th floor ng building na yan. Kaya dinimanda ng Sugarland Hotel yung local government unit. And during the litigation, parang inamin na walang due diligence, hindi masyadong napag-aralan ng local government unit yung sitwasyon bago ito mag-order ng demolition. And because of this, ang sabi nila, sabi ng ating Korte Suprema sa Bacolod City Government ay bayaran itong Sugarland Hotel which represents the value of the demolished 4th floor as appraised by the United Architects Guild of the Philippines Bacolod City Chapter plus 6% interest per annum computed from November 21 hanggang ito ay mabayaran. So meron ding in-award na moral damages, 1 million and 1 million exemplary damages plus 6% interest until fully paid. So very important dito lesson ng mga LGU, again, in your actions, there should be due diligence.